Imagine starting your day with a simple phrase that sets the stage for wealth and abundance. A phrase so powerful that it shifts your mindset, tunes your focus, and aligns your energy with the wealth you desire to attract. In this video, we explore how using just 2 simple words can significantly impact your ability to attract wealth effortlessly. These words are not magic, but their effect can seem magical when used consistently and with belief. Join us as we look into how you can harness the power of these words to create a life of abundance. Words carry immense power. They have the ability to inspire, motivate, and yes, even to manifest wealth. The idea that our words can influence our reality is not new. It has roots in numerous cultural and spiritual traditions across the world. When we speak, we are not merely communicating, we are also casting our thoughts and intentions into the world. This process influences our mindset, our actions, and the energy we project. Affirmations are a deliberate form of words used to positively influence our subconscious mind. When we affirm something, we declare it to be true, sending a powerful signal to our brain to begin working to achieve that statement. In the context of wealth, affirmations are tailored statements that focus on generating financial abundance. The simplicity of these affirmations belies their potential power. By affirming our wealth and success, we prime our minds to identify and pursue opportunities that align with these declarations. Now let us introduce the 2 powerful words that form the core of our discussion: I am. These words are often considered simple, yet they hold immense power in shaping our self-identity and perceptions. When you say, I am, you are not just describing your current state, you are also defining your future state. It's a form of self-assertion and a declaration to the universe of your intentions and beliefs. The use of I am in affirmations is particularly potent because it asserts certainty and presence in the now. It is an affirmation of existence and capability. When applied to wealth, phrases like I am wealthy or I am financially abundant do more than express a wish, they affirm a state of being. The language of certainty these words convey helps to align your subconscious mind with the concept of wealth, making you more open to actions and opportunities that can increase your wealth. Knowing the words to use is the first step, understanding how to effectively employ them is the next critical phase. To use I am for attracting wealth, it is essential to integrate these affirmations into your daily routine, ensuring they are not only heard but felt deeply within your psyche. This practice involves more than just repetition, it involves belief and emotional engagement. Start by stating your affirmations aloud each morning and evening. This repetition when you wake and before you sleep helps to embed these thoughts in both your conscious and subconscious mind. For instance, begin your day by saying, I am capable of achieving great wealth. Let this affirmation be the foundation upon which your daily activities are built. Similarly, end your day by reflecting on the affirmation, allowing the feelings of gratitude and accomplishment to settle in your mind as you sleep. It's also beneficial to write down your affirmations. Writing reinforces thought and makes it more tangible. Keep a journal of wealth affirmations and spend a few minutes each day writing the phrase, I am wealthy, along with a few sentences about what wealth means to you and how you see yourself achieving it. This practice helps to clarify your thoughts and reinforces your commitment to them. Integrate your affirmations into your meditation or visualization practices. Visualize yourself living the life you affirm. See yourself in environments that signify success and financial abundance to you, whether it's an office, a home, or traveling to places you dream of visiting. Pairing I am affirmations with vivid visualization anchors the emotional and visual aspects of wealth, making the affirmations part of your lived experience, not just your spoken words. The impact of affirmations extends beyond the words themselves and into the realm of overall mindset. Wealth isn't just about financial accumulation, it also concerns your attitudes and beliefs about money and success. A positive, growth-oriented mindset is crucial in this process. It shapes how you perceive challenges and opportunities and influences your readiness to take action toward financial growth. A wealth-attracting mindset is characterized by positivity, openness to opportunities, and a strong belief in one's capabilities. It's about seeing wealth not as a distant dream but as a present reality that you are expanding each day. This type of mindset reduces fear and hesitation and promotes a proactive approach to wealth creation. When you affirm, "I am wealthy," you are not just saying that wealth will come to you someday. You are recognizing and reinforcing the wealth that is already part of your life in various forms: knowledge, networks, abilities, and, of course, financial resources. To make "I am" affirmations more effective, integrate them into daily practices that reinforce a wealth-attracting mindset. Start by setting clear financial goals. What does being wealthy mean to you? Is it freedom from debt, owning a home, or achieving financial independence? Define what wealth means in your life and use your "I am" affirmations to focus on these goals. Next, practice mindfulness and awareness throughout your day. Pay attention to thoughts and feelings about money and wealth that contradict your affirmations. When you notice negative patterns, gently guide your thoughts back to your affirmations. This could mean shifting a thought from "I can't afford this" to "I am managing my money wisely to afford what I want in the future." Another daily practice is gratitude. Each day, take a moment to express gratitude for the wealth you already have, whether it's your family, your job, your health, or your possessions. Gratitude shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, which is essential for attracting more wealth. Make a list of 5 things you are grateful for every day, and you'll notice how this positivity helps deepen your belief in the "I am" affirmations. Surrounding yourself with positivity not only reinforces your wealth mindset but also provides practical advice and inspiration. Regular exposure to success stories and advice from those who have achieved wealth will keep you motivated and provide practical steps to follow in your journey. When using affirmations, especially those as potent as "I am," it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls that can undermine their effectiveness. One frequent mistake is inconsistency. Affirmations are most effective and repeated regularly and with conviction. Skipping days or saying them without real focus or belief can stall the benefits you might otherwise receive. Consistency in your affirmation practice helps solidify the belief in your wealth and reinforces the neural pathways that support this new self-concept. Another mistake is using affirmations to mask underlying negative beliefs without addressing them. For affirmations to work, they need to be built on a foundation of genuine belief in their possibility. If deep down you hold limiting beliefs about your worthiness of wealth or possibilities, simply repeating "I am wealthy" won't change those beliefs. It's crucial to do inner work to uncover and heal these negative beliefs, perhaps through journaling, therapy, or meditation, to ensure your affirmations rest on solid ground. Many people use affirmations as a passive tool, expecting them to work magic without any accompanying action. While affirmations are powerful for setting intentions and aligning your mindset, they are not substitutes for the necessary actions required to generate wealth. Ensure that you accompany your affirmations with clear plans and steps towards achieving your financial goals. While we conclude, remember that the power of "I am" affirmations in attracting wealth lies in their ability to reshape your mindset, redefine your self-image, and align your actions with your financial goals. By understanding and avoiding common pitfalls, accepting a consistent practice, and utilizing additional resources for learning and inspiration, you are setting a strong foundation for financial abundance. Start each day with a clear affirmation of your wealth and end it with gratitude for the abundance in your life. Engage with the resources that resonate with your goals and continue to educate yourself on the dynamics of wealth attraction. Your journey towards financial abundance is a personal one, but it is supported by universal principles of positivity, action, and persistence. The effectiveness of "I am" affirmations is not just in the repetition of words but in the belief in their truth. Let these words be a declaration of what you are and a map to where you are going. With commitment and consistency, the journey from affirmation to manifestation can be both fulfilling and transformative.